Pepper, you love cuddle dad. Huh? You love cuddle dad? Oh, because you love dad, hey? Huh? Do you love dad? Oh, that's why you always cuddle. Or you're waiting your yummy yummy. Hmm? You like to have your yummy yummy? Mm. I will give you the fish, hey? You like fish? Pepper? Oh, because you're a Filipino. Oh, you're a Filipino. You like rice. Oh, you like rice too. Hey? You like rice too? Oh, and then you like also fish.